To health alert now that we're following this morning about women and lung cancer. Did you know that every 5 minutes a woman in the United States is told that she has the cancer, and on average less than half of them diagnosed will live more than a year? Joining us this morning on the morning show is Matt Manick with Forking Amazing Restaurants, and Karen Hughes with the American Lung Association here in Florida, Northeast Florida. Thank you both for joining us. Do appreciate it. Matt, let me start with you, because over the next basically week and a half or so, this is kind of American Lung Cancer Awareness Week, particularly among women. There's an event that's coming up, which is a unique way to help raise money then, and we know that raising money can help towards research and hopefully find a cure to lung cancer.
Absolutely. So we are partnering with the American Lung Association from May 1st to May 7th. So all the Forking Amazing restaurants, that's Bistro X, Ovente, and Il Desco, will donate 5% of all their sales for the entire week.
Why was this so important?
We actually started a program called Collaborate and Give a few months ago. So Forking Amazing Restaurants has always been very dedicated to giving back to the community, to working with the local nonprofits. So we wanted to partner ourselves with different local nonprofits that we were very passionate about and wanted to work with, and be a better partner with them and a better way to give back to the community.
And really, this is giving people another reason then, if they're thinking about not wanting to cook in that week, to go out and raise money for a good cause, Karen. And you know, working for the American Lung Association, why that's so important. There are other events that are happening now really to raise money, including, is it a putt and crawl that's coming up as well? Walk us through those events so that people know about.
Sure, we have several events. So the second week of May is always a Women's National Lung Health Week. And it's a time to really talk about the staggering rates of lung cancer, specifically in women, and to bring awareness. And as you said, that awareness, the dollars can follow. So we're fortunate to have great partners like the Forking Amazing Restaurants that are willing to do this give back with us, and it is happening now. So it's May 1 through May 7. Coming up this week, we also are participating Saturday in the Putt and Crawl. We are one of the designated charities, so there'll be some turquoise there, our signature color, some turquoise decorations, and an opportunity for people to learn more. And then as we continue into next week, we'll have several businesses around the community that are decorating in turquoise or sharing a percentage of sales from their turquoise inventory, depending on what that may be that they're selling. So lots of ways for folks to get involved.
And that's May 9th, and you're encouraging people to wear turquoise also on that day to really start a conversation, because do you find, and we hear a lot about breast cancer,
Sure.
But do you find that women are really aware of the risk of lung cancer that we know can take their lives much more quickly than even breast cancer or any other cancers?
Unfortunately, no. Only about 2% of women have their lung health on the top of their health radar, and the offset to that, of course, is that lung cancer is the deadliest cancer of women. And so we have work to do to really raise that awareness, and this is one of the ways that we can do that. We also have a lot of great resources online where an individual can go through a questionnaire and help themselves determine if they need to have a lung health conversation with their doctors. So we want people to be able to be advocates for their own health as well.
Yeah, and I think it's interesting also because the reality is that you can get lung cancer and never have smoked a day in your life.
That's right. Lung cancer can happen to anyone at any time, and no one deserves it. And we are finding more and more cases of non-smokers as well. So there's a stigma associated with it, and there's a misunderstanding among many people in the community as to who has lung cancer.
Karen, Matt, thank you so much for being here. Do appreciate it. I want to make sure that everybody has the information also about the event. So between May 1st and the 7th, you can go to Il Desco, Bistro X, or Ovente, and 5% of the sales will go towards helping stop lung cancer. In the meantime, if you know someone who could really benefit from this interview, we're going to post it later this morning on the morning show page of news4jax.com. It's very easy for you to share it with them. Bruce?
Hey, would you like to go